Thank you so much for all your wishes. And my brother Rahul Roy, he's such a gentleman. And when I asked him to unreveal the poster, he said, "Yes, brother, I'll come." So I'm so glad and so good that we all friends are together and helping me out to launch my video.
So what is the song all about?
बेसिकली आई एम अ शिव भक्त, तो मुझे काफ़ी समय पहले एक लिरिक्स कुछ दिमाग में आए और मैंने उन लिरिक्स को पेपर पे उतारा एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड हमिंग इट और वो धीरे धीरे गाना बन गया. जब गाना बन गया तो मैंने सोचा अब इसे पिक्चराइज़ करना चाहिए. तो मैंने अपने हिसाब से जो मेरे थॉट्स थे मैंने खुद से पिक्चराइज़ किया उसे और उसे खुद ने गाया. सो इट्स माई फर्स्ट एफर्ट बट आई फील दैट आई विल कंटिन्यू डूइंग इट. और इस बार मैंने शिवजी से स्टार्ट किया है तो अब मैं दूसरे फील्ड की दूसरी चीज़ें भी गाऊंगा, इमोशनल भी गाऊंगा, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें मेरे दिमाग में हैं जो मैंने लिख के रखी है एंड आई फील लाइक आई डू ऑल द सॉन्ग्स.
Rahul, what would you like to say? आपने अभी गाना देखा, you launched it today. What would you like to say?
सबसे पहले ऑब्वियसली आई एम हियर फॉर केशव एंड आई वाज क्वाइट सरप्राइज जब मैंने वो गाना देखा बिकॉज जाहिर सी बात है कि शिव जी के कई भक्त हैं यहाँ पे. तो जो विजुअल्स मैंने वीडियो देखा हुआ है, गाना देखा हुआ है, सुना हुआ है, तो आई थिंक वेरी मोटिवेशनल, ब्यूटिफुली शॉट, नो क्वेश्चन अबाउट इट. एंड आई एम सरप्राइज कि मैं एक्टिंग कर रहा हूँ इनके साथ बट ये गाना भी गाते हैं, डायरेक्शन भी करते हैं. तो आई विल ऑलवेज इनकरेज माई ब्रदर केशव दैट ही शुड कंटिन्यू डूइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स, क्योंकि आज इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है और अगर आप इतने क्रिएटिव हैं तो यू शुड बी एबल टू मेक ऑल दीज थिंग्स एंड शो इट टू द वर्ल्ड. बिकॉज शिव जी के साथ स्टार्ट किए तो उनकी ब्लेसिंग्स तो हमेशा आपके साथ रहेंगी. एंड आई थिंक द टैलेंट शुड नॉट बी हिडन, यू शुड नॉट बी स्कैर्ड, यू शुड जस्ट बी बोल्ड एंड डू इट. So I really wish you all the very best and I'm very happy to be out here meeting up with my old friend Shanti Priya and your poster has been revealed. I'm sure a lot of people will love your song. Om Namah Shivaya.
So Rahul, it's an inspirational song and it's not a devotion. So what do you have to say about that? You know, now being music going to another level, people can experiment. They can, express through music the kind of music that they want to relate to.
I agree. Today's generation is not so much into them wanting to be preached. So the devotional songs and all are something that you've always grown up with in the house and everything. But to move that sensibility more at a much more deeper meaning for this generation, you need songs which are motivational because things have become so very difficult right now. We talk about competitiveness in every field. We talk about personal lives being, in a disarray and things like that. So, we are always searching for some kind of thing that holds meaning to your life. And I think a lot of people don't even realize whether they are depressed or not depressed. I mean, we keep reading in the papers and we see on the social media unfortunate incidences that have taken place. So I think people need to be motivated why it is worth living. Why is it worth doing what you are doing? Or to find something which holds a meaning to your life. So I think these kind of songs that are there, hopefully, few people will find that kind of an inspiration, a motivation, and I think that works. That is what is important. The moment you try and preach something or you try and torso something onto somebody, the first reaction is, no, I want to get away from it. So I applaud the path that Keshav has taken, and I wish him all the very best with it. Yeah.
Shanti, what would you like to say?
First of all, I would like to wish him all the best and the field which he has taken with all round in it, singing, direction and everything, acting. And then the song which he has selected, especially I would like to tell him, is really a very good song. It's not a devotional song, it's an inspiration song. I've seen the song. The shooting is very good, the location is fabulous, the shot, the way it is shot, especially for this generation, which will be very inspiration for them because there's a lot of stress, like how Rahul has told, there's a lot of stress going on in our field and all the fields. So this song is something which is not just doesn't take them in the devotional way, which they can just, like the young generation were chill, they can hear this song especially and chill themselves and have a calm mind for themselves, I guess.
Would you like to sing a line for the audience?
There's a certain line which the youth will connect. I will just sing that line. अब जला चिलम आ लगा के दम भूल दुनिया के गम आदम मार दम आ भांग का घोटा मार ले कश धुएं के दो चार ले बोल बम 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 बोल बम 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 आ लगा के दम बोल बम 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 भूल दुनिया के गम बोल बम बम बम.
So what's next with Home Entertainment?
See, there are a lot of plans for Warm Entertainment. Basically, now I have designed and I have made few more songs with different feel. So definitely I'll be shooting those songs, and Warm Entertainment will be the one to present it. And apart from that, there is some web series and some short films which I'm planning to shoot. So a lot of things are coming.
So we wish you all the best.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
But an inspirational, motivational song. What do you have to say?
While I was shooting right now for Love Coach, and I got to see the video clip he sent me, and I was so excited. Especially I am a big fan of Mahadev, so I was damn excited, and I would like to congratulate him again.
Thank you.
And he's got long way to go. He's a multitasking guy. You can see multi-talented. He's an actor, singer, director, producer. He's doing everything, and I'm like, it is really a kind of inspiration for guys like us. That okay, you just don't stick to acting, but you can also try your luck in singing, and also I'm again congratulating. God bless, and he's got long way to go. Let me tell you.
Thank you.
Rina, what do you?
I would say the same thing. I just saw the poster and it looks really amazing. I mean, it's a little funny to see him in this makeup and this attire, but I really want to wish him all the best for the hard work he's been doing, and I hope the song does well, and congratulations. Yeah, so excited to listen to the song.
Done, guys?
Done. Thank
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So आज केशव सर ने इतना अच्छा गाना लॉन्च किया
Yes,
इतना
yes, yes,
डिफरेंट
yes,
है
yes,
मोटिवेटिंग है क्या विशेष देना चाहिए
ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारी विशेज़ हैं. केशव इज़ अ वेरी हैंडसम डूड और भाई है हमारा. और क्या है कि मेरा यहाँ पर उपस्थिति जो है वो अनिवार्य आज इसलिए थी. मैं कहीं था बट मैं समय निकाल के आया. उसका रीज़न ये है कि इनके लिए बहुत सारा प्यार तो है ही, और दूसरा शिव भक्त हूँ मैं बहुत बड़ा. बम बम हर हर महादेव पूरी दुनिया जानती है. तो अब शिव के नाम पे इन्होंने कुछ शुरुआत की और संतोष शुक्ला यहाँ नहीं होता, ये पॉसिबिलिटी बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी. सो इसलिए आया हूँ और बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएँ हैं. और मैं चाहता हूँ ऐसा कि भोलेनाथ से प्रार्थना है कि ये इनका जो ये एल्बम है ये बहुत रॉक करे और इसको बहुत पसंद करें लोग. बहुत टैलेंटेड है केशव और बहुत ही शाइस्ता लड़का है, और मेरे ख्याल से बहुत अच्छा ये इसको रिस्पॉन्स आना चाहिए. माई बेस्ट विशेज़ मिलते हैं. पूछिए.
थैंक यू सो मच सर
थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir.
लव यू. हो गया ना मेरे भाई.
Thanks for coming.
कैसे बना दिया ये अचानक एकदम.
अरे लिरिक्स लिखे थे.